How are folks creating reports now? Say for month end close.
Yeah, it's actually unbelievable. I mean, I've been doing this for a very long time. Our founding team has been doing nothing but helping folks with reporting, analytics, and data management for 35 plus years, right? And I mean, you'll see companies of all shapes and sizes. And I'm not saying every company falls into this bucket, but I think in Microsoft, in our space, we see so often the month-end close process is just the most manual, convoluted, just repetitive, I call it kind of the copy and waste type process, right? It, go into your ERP, run an account schedule, dump out the account schedule, run it for each company, dump it into Excel, take all of those, consolidate together, copy, paste, all this stuff. And, when next week's is due or next month's or whatever, next quarter, it's just the same painful process. I mean, we hear stuff all the time. I spend a week doing this, right? Every time we have to do it, I spend 40 hours, whatever. And I'm not saying every customer feels that or does the same thing, but the reality is it's typically not efficient, right?
Hmm.
You've either got some combination of, like I said, account schedules, you've got reports maybe your partners have built in, your ERP directly, you're again just dumping stuff into Excel. I mean, it's a bit of a manual process, and I don't know why companies of all shapes and sizes will limp through it. And there's such a better way to do it, right?